You may think your beard routine is just fine, because these 20 common beard habits be ruining your face and hurting your appearance. Your face is the first thing that people notice, and your beard can either elevate your look or completely sabotage it. And here's the shocking part. There's one habit that nearly every man does, and it's probably the worst thing for your beard. In the next 14 minutes, I'll show you how to reverse these bad habits and grow a beard that commands attention and boosts your confidence. And trust me, some of these fixes are so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Before I tell you habit number one, you need to know that 99% of men get this wrong. A beard that doesn't suit your face shape does more harm than good. It's like wearing sunglasses that are way too big for your face. It throws off your whole look and makes your face look off balance. There's a way to fix this and make it look like your beard was made for your face. Choose a beard style that complements your face shape. If your face is round, go for a longer, angular beard to create definition and balance. Revisit your style every few months as your beard grows to make sure it still fits your face shape. Adjusting your beard look and shape will keep your beard looking sharp. Now that your beard matches your face shape, let's move to a common mistake that can mess up even the best groomed beard. Habit number two, getting your neckline wrong is like wearing a collar that's too tight, uncomfortable, and everyone notices. Trim it too high and you get a chin strap. Trim too low and your beard creeps down your neck, making it look messy. Don't worry, there's a way to nail the perfect neckline so your beard looks sharp instead of trying to escape your face. Trim your neckline just above your Adam's apple. This will give you a clean, sharp line that keeps your beard looking neat and intentional. Make sure to trim your neckline every 1 to 2 weeks. With practice, you'll know exactly where to trim to keep your beard looking fresh. Fixing these early habits will start shaping a cleaner, more professional look that builds your confidence. With that sorted, it's time to fix something else that could be holding your beard back. Habit number three, not fixing your patchy beard. Growing a patchy beard, it's like planting a seed in a garden, but only half sprout. But there's no need to get stuck with a beard that looks like it's still waiting to grow in. Let's work with what we got. Keep your beard trimmed low until the patches fill in, or go for a style like stubble or a goatee that works with your current growth pattern. If you're committed to filling in those patches, products like minoxidil can help over time. Monitor your beard growth every 4 to 6 weeks with your routine, and stay consistent with your routine. Over time, you'll see those gaps fill in, giving you a fuller beard. Now let's talk about something that could be drying out your beard and making it brittle, and how to fix it. Habit number four, skipping the leave-in conditioner. Without a leave-in conditioner, your beard will get so dry, it'll feel like you're growing a cactus on your face. Don't worry, softening your beard is easier than you think. Apply a leave-in beard conditioner daily, right after your shower, to lock in moisture and keep your beard soft and smooth. Over time, you'll notice smoother, healthier beard growth with less frizz. Now that your beard is hydrated, let's make sure it stays that way all day. That's where My Hydration comes in, our leave-in beard conditioner. Designed to lock in moisture, keep your beard soft to touch, and prevent dryness throughout the day. Plus, for a limited time, you get 25% back on your first order. So it's the perfect time to upgrade your beard routine. But even with all that hydration, there's one habit that every man does. Probably the worst thing for your beard. Let's get into what can be holding your beard back. Habit number five, quit tugging on your beard. Pulling on your beard is like picking at a loose thread. Keep going and you'll unravel. So before you turn your beard into a patchy mess, let's break that habit. The first step is to stay mindful of when you're doing it. Try replacing the habit with something like a stress ball. Keep your hands busy. Once you stop pulling, your beard will start to recover. Identify the triggers, stress, boredom, etc., that make you pull at your beard. Breaking these habits will help you avoid long-term damage, giving your beard a chance to grow thicker and healthier. Now that you stop sabotaging your progress, let's talk about a small step in your beard routine that's easy to miss. but can make a big difference. Habit number 6, washing your beard the wrong way. If you don't emulsify your beard wash, you're wasting product and not getting a proper clean, which leads to buildup. But here's a quick way to make sure your beard wash is working as hard as it should. Activate your beard wash by emulsifying it in your hands before applying. This breaks down the product for a deeper clean and better absorption. Make this part of your regular washing routine, and over time, you'll notice a cleaner, healthier beard with fewer issues like buildup and irritation. Now that your beard wash is doing its job, let's talk about your grooming tools, because there's one mistake that could be affecting your skin and beard. Habit number 7, using one brush. Using the same brush for your beard and hair, it's like using the same trimmer for your manhood and hair. You're transferring oils and dirt, causing breakouts and irritation. Luckily, this is one of the easiest habits to fix, and it'll make a big difference. Use a separate brush just for your beard and clean it regularly to avoid contamination. Set a schedule to clean your beard brush once a week. This habit will reduce irritation and acne, keeping your beard and skin healthier over time. Now that your beard tools are clean, let's make sure that you're not making a mistake with the product application itself. Habit number 8, using beard products on your skin. Applying beard products to both your skin and beard underneath might seem like a good idea, but actually it's like overwatering a plant. Excess product clogs pores, causing breakouts and irritation. The good news, you don't need to overdo it. Just applying it to the beard itself is enough. Focus the product application on the beard hair. Avoid rubbing it into the skin underneath, and you'll still get all the benefits without the unwanted side effects. Make this a regular practice, and over time, you'll reduce irritation, prevent clogged pores, and keep both your beard and skin looking fresh. Stick to this habit, and you'll keep your beard healthy and prevent skin issues. Now that we cleaned that up, let's talk about a habit that might be undoing all this good work, especially if you spend a lot of time driving. Habit number 9, letting your car heat ruin your beard. Blasting hot air from your car's vents dries out your beard, causing damage. Luckily, there's an easy way to protect your beard without sacrificing your comfort. Redirect the car's vents away from your face to keep your beard from drying out while still keeping you warm. Make this a habit during the colder months, and over time, you'll notice your beard stays soft, moisturized, and frizz-free, even when driving. Let's talk about one everyday habit that might be damaging your beard right after your shower. Habit number 10, scrubbing your beard. Scrubbing your beard after a shower is like using a sandpaper towel on your car. It's rough and it does more harm than good. When wet, your beard is most vulnerable, and harsh drying makes it worse. But with one simple adjustment, you can avoid the damage entirely. Instead of scrubbing, gently pat your beard dry after a shower. Using a microfiber towel will help prevent frizz and breakage. Incorporate this into your routine every time you shower, and over time, you'll notice less breakage, smoother growth, and a healthier beard. Habit number 11, neglecting regular beard trims. Let's talk about another habit that might be hurting your look and throwing off your style. Skipping regular trends is like letting weeds overrun a garden. It becomes messy and loses its appeal. Without trimming, your beard develops split ends and a scruffy shape, making it look frizzy and neglected. However, there's an easy way to keep your beard sharp and well maintained. Regardless of your beard's length or growth stage, regular trimming is key to keeping it in top shape. Here's how you can do it. For beginner beards, wait 3 to 4 weeks before your first trim to allow beards to grow in fully. For maintaining length, trim every 7 to 10 days to keep your beard at your desired length. For short or tight beards, trim every 1 to 2 weeks to maintain sharp lines and a clean appearance. For medium length beards, schedule trims every 2 to 4 weeks to preserve the beard's shape and prevent it from looking messy. For longer beards or growing beards, trim every 4 to 6 weeks to remove split ends and maintain overall health. Set reminders to trim your beard or visit a professional barber. Consistently trimming helps you avoid a shaggy and frizzy look. By customizing your trimming routine to your beard's needs, you're not just maintaining your appearance, you're building a beard that boosts your confidence and matches your style. Now that your beard is well shaped, let's address a hidden issue lurking beneath the surface. Habit number 12, ignoring beard exfoliation. Neglecting exfoliation is like trying to paint over a wall without cleaning it first. You'll end up with a rough finish and the paint won't adhere properly. In the same way, dead skin accumulates under your beard, leading to dandruff and irritation. However, there's an easy way to keep your skin healthy and your beard looking clean. Exfoliate twice a week with a gentle scrub or a beard brush. This helps remove dead skin cells and prevents itchiness. Make exfoliation a regular part of your grooming routine. Over time, you'll have less irritation and a cleaner beard. Now that your skin is in check, let's ensure your beard feels as good as it looks. Habit number 13, forgetting to use the rinse conditioner. Skipping beard conditioner is like washing your hair without using any conditioner. Your beard ends up rough, dry, and unmanageable, especially for coarse, curly beards. This leads to frizz and a lackluster appearance. But there's an easy way to transform your beard's texture. Use a beard conditioner regularly to soften the hair and prevent frizz. Apply it after washing your beard to lock in the moisture. Include conditioning in your beard care routine. Over time, your beard will look and feel healthier, enhancing its overall appeal. Now that your beard is soft and smooth, let's make sure you're cleansing it the right way. Remember, combining these habits not only enhances your beard, but gives you that extra edge of confidence. Habit number 14, relying on all-in-one products. Using an all-in-one soap for your beard is like fueling a sports car with regular gas. It doesn't provide the specialized care needed. These products can dry out your beard, leaving it dull and brittle. Your beard deserves better. And there's a simple switch you can make. Use a beard-specific cleanser to preserve natural oils. These cleansers keep your beard soft and manageable without stripping away essential moisture. Replace your all-in-one product with a quality beard wash. Over time, you'll notice improved texture and overall beard health. With the right cleanser in hand, let's tackle what happens when you break a sweat. Habit number 15, letting sweat stay on your beard. Letting sweat linger in your beard after a workout, it's like leaving dirty dishes in the sink. It breeds bacteria. This can lead to clogged pores, irritation, and even breakouts. But a quick refresh can keep your beard clean and your skin healthy. Cleanse your beard with a co-wash after workouts to remove sweat and bacteria. Make post-workout beard care a habit. Over time, you'll prevent irritation and keep your beard looking fresh. Now, let's ensure your nightly routine isn't undoing your day's efforts. Habit number 16, going to bed with a dirty beard. Sleeping with a dirty beard is like using dirty sheets. It feels uncomfortable and it harms your skin. Overnight, dirt and oils build up, clogging your pores and affecting your beard's health. But a simple nighttime routine can make a world of difference. Rinse your beard before bed to wash away dirt and oils. This keeps your beard looking fresh and lowers your chance of getting acne. Make nightly beard cleansing a habit. Over time, you'll wake up with a cleaner, healthier beard. With your beard clean day and night, let's protect it from the elements. Habit number 17, skipping sun protection for your skin. Not wearing sunscreen is like playing football without a mouth guard. It leaves you open to damage. This means the sun dries out your skin, causing it to age quicker. Keeping your skin safe from the sun is easy. Protect your face, neck, and other exposed areas with sunscreen. Make sunscreen part of your daily routine. It protects your skin and keeps it looking healthy. Now, let's work on the details that really level up your appearance. Habit number 18, leaving stray hairs on your lip line. Not trimming the stray hairs around your lips. It's like leaving your shoelaces untied. It looks messy and can cause problems. These hairs can trap food, making your face less clean. A quick trim makes you look cleaner and more stylish because it targets the areas that are overlooked. So trim the hairs around your lips with shears or a trimmer. It keeps your look neat and stops food from getting stuck. To maintain these results, trim your lip line weekly. Keeps your appearance polished and well-groomed while preserving your natural features. Next, let's ensure enhancements don't mess up your natural look. Habit number 19, using too much beard filler. Using too many fillers or dyes on your beard is like applying too much cologne. It becomes overpowering and unnatural. So an overly styled beard can distract from your overall appearance, but a lighter touch can make your beard look more natural and appealing. Use fillers and dyes sparingly to subtly enhance your beard. Then aim for a balanced look that complements your natural features. Evaluate your beard at each application to ensure it looks natural. So over time, you'll master a subtle enhancement that boosts your confidence. Finally, let's ensure that your beard growth reflects an intentional style. Habit number 20, not shaping your beard evenly. Letting your beard grow unevenly is like wearing a suit that's too big. It looks messy and unbalanced. This means that uneven growth can make your beard look shaggy, hurting your overall appearance. But with regular maintenance, you can achieve a beard that complements your face perfectly. To achieve this, trim your beard evenly and to encourage balanced growth. Then use a comb and beard trimmer to shape it to your preferred style. So over time, you'll maintain a beard that frames your face and improves your style. Now that you've tackled these 20 beard habits, you've taken a first step toward a healthier, better looking beard. But there's one thing most guys forget. If you don't fix the dryness in your beard now, all your hard work can start to unravel. Want to keep your beard soft and strong? In my next video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix your dry beard, or risk losing your beard you work so hard to maintain. Click the video on screen now to discover how to keep your beard from drying out. I'll show you these simple tips to restore moisture, smooth out frizz, and make sure your beard stays as strong as ever.